It's the fact that customers want to have their car serviced at a place where they can get convenient and accountable service, as well as the reliability and accountability.
Character and integrity are very important, and that's important to all of the franchisees that I know too. So it's sort of a two-way street. The culture is one of working hard and being team players.
When the process is executed perfectly, it is so smooth, it is so seamless, the guys seem like they know what they're doing, it just lends confidence to the buying public.
We like to go to places that people that we like and people that we trust, especially when you're starting to deal with somebody's car, which is typically their second largest investment as an individual, as a family.
I mean, in fairness, the automotive industry has a bad reputation. So finding somebody that you can trust for things that you don't know very much about is critical.
Our core values are based on trust and integrity. And you ask a customer what's the most important factor in choosing an automotive service provider, and price will probably be fifth or sixth down the list. They want somebody that they can trust, somebody who's accountable, somebody who brings integrity, who listens and provides what the customers want.